Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on how to draw cartoons, and today I'd like to show you a simple way to draw a hand. I know hands give a lot of people trouble, and I can understand that, but we're going to try to simplify it right here. So here's the basic palm, basic shape of the palm, like this. Now put the wrist down here, and we'll bring this out here. This is the thumb. We'll bring this out like this. It comes right up here to the base of the fingers. And by the way, here will be the fingers right here. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we'll bring this out here. Thumb comes up. Here is the knuckle at the base of the thumb, right there. There's that knuckle. And then it comes back. Now over here is the palm heel area, and also the thumb heel. Now this is very small. The pinky is not just a little small. It doesn't just graduate like this. It's much smaller than the other fingers, and there's more space between the pinky and the ring finger than between the ring finger and the middle finger. See how these come like this? Just a little space, but this one has more of it. And this comes out also like that. And there's a little curve of the index finger. Curves a little bit this way, and it's got a little bump right here. You can look at your own finger and see that. It's a little bump here. So we have a little bit of the bumps here, some diagonal lines, creases this way. And we're just about ready. Now, I just want to show you something. This tip is a bone by itself. It tips backward. Here's another tip, another bone right here. And this is very long on the thumb. This is the longest bone right here. And the top of the fingers are flat. They're not, tapered to a point. That's a mistake some people make. We're also going to bring this up here like this because it graduates. This is the top of the palm right here. All right, now let me take my pen and see if we can make this work. This is a simplified hand. And a little curve here. Like that. Just follow that arc like that. And the middle finger, of course, a little taller than the others. The ring finger. And then the space, the real space for that small pinky right there. And a little curve here on that side. And a little curve here before the wrist. Long arc here for the wrist and for the thumb. Here is that joint right here. Whole thumb curves back. Another joint right here. This curves in. And this kind of slopes outward. And a couple of crease marks there. And there is a simple hand. I hope that was helpful for you. And I hope you will subscribe. You get new videos every week, and I have 400 videos on YouTube, over that many. So I hope you can look at as many as you like. You have a curiosity about something, find one of my videos, maybe I'll have an answer for you. Thank you for watching. I enjoyed doing this. I hope you enjoyed it too. Okay? Bye-bye.